VR applications in manufacturing processes.
Manufacturing is known as a single wide area for errors and risks.
From prototype to production, there is a high probability of errors or risks.
Moreover, the manufacturing industry is highly prone to hazards or fatal accidents.
To optimize the errors and uncertainty, there is a growing demand for advanced solutions in the manufacturing industry.
Due to the advances in the technology, manufacturing industry has gone through a drastic transformation over the years.
The emergence of Industry 4.0, digital twin, AI has given a wide space for virtual reality applications in the manufacturing industry.
Product designing, worker safety, and quality control have been positively influenced by virtual reality.
There is a growing demand from manufacturers for minimizing operational cost, increased automation, predictive maintenance, and quality control.
This drives the demand for VR applications in manufacturing industry.
Many manufacturers are leveraging the benefits of virtual reality applications in the manufacturing processes.
The adoption of virtual reality in manufacturing has given lucrative market opportunities to the key players.
The rising popularity of smart factories, industrial robots have offered a comprehensive platform for the application of VR in manufacturing industry.
Technical positions such as control engineers, technicians, skilled operators, and others have been specially trained to use VR applications with the aim of improving productivity.
Furthermore, the ability of VR to provide immersive experiences, 360-degree content view, high simulation environment, and actionable analytical insights have driven the interest of manufacturers to adopt virtual reality in manufacturing industry.